How to fix mobile hotspot not working in Realme P3. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option connection and sharing. Now click on it and then click on personal hotspot. Now here you can turn on your personal hotspot. After turn on your hotspot, then check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your internet connection. After that, go back and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and then click on reset all settings. Now here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.